I have to do the other side of the... I shouldn't have told anybody I cut my finger.
You should have just...
Again, 3, 1, 2, 3, toe. You're great. Good for you. I'm sorry. And your finger's all split apart though. I can see all of the meat from the bottom coming out right
Oh
now.
no.
So it needs to be sewn back together or you're going to have a big problem.
That's why our daughter came with us and she says, I might have to take it to emergency. Let's wait and see.
So that hurts a lot, I know. Okay. Now we just need to leave the freezing to set in for a few minutes. Okay? Is it starting to hurt a little bit less?
Yeah.
Yeah, it stings a lot when it goes in, right? But it should start to settle down. So we're going to give it a good 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then I'll come back and I'll just suture it up.
Take this off.
Hey there. So tonight I'm making dinner. This is my version of a wonton soup, but kind of amped up. So I've got wontons, but I put pak choy in there. I dropped eggs. So you'll be able to see parts of that there. There's the egg. Lots of ginger and garlic. Chicken broth for it. Then I have green onions in there, but then I have some green onions for on top. So, Dad requested this today, so we're going to see how that goes. Okay, Mom. Okay, Dad. How was the soup?
The soup is excellent. Excellent.
Yummy. I added a little bit of this chili oil. It has chili oil with soybeans. I don't know. What am I doing? I can't read this. Who am I kidding? I put a little chili oil in there and it makes it taste extra special bomb. So I'm pretty excited.
I'm gonna add some more.
Yeah. I think I have a little bit left that maybe Lance would like to try it too. This is his thing, his jam.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Good morning. We got up this morning. There's so much snow, so Vish decided to clean the driveway and the vehicles just in case if we have to go out on the road. And I guess my neighbor went out for coffee already and coming back. And oh, did the black bag pass already?
Huh?
Black bag pass already?
Yeah.
Oh wow. So you see, even in the snow, we got to put our garbage out. Check all the recycling there, have snow on it.
I don't know. I have 3 too, you want to put 1.
Black bag garbage didn't pass on our side, so Vish is now putting it out. It passed on the other side already.
Okay, so while I was putting out the garbage, Mom decided to help me to shovel. So there she is, and the garbage truck is coming over there. So I have to go now and help.
Good morning.
Good morning. You got this one.
Where's Mom? Mom? Oh.
Somewhere here.
Another. See, Christmas is over, but
We are
Mom and Dad are preparing now for next Christmas. Dad, what did you say that's like?
Hey,
What did you say that's like? You said it this morning when we were talking.
it's like carnival.
Yeah,
As soon as carnival is over, prepare for the next one. With all the
exactly.
drawings and this and
Oh,
that.
this is so different.
Hmm?
This one's different.
Yeah.
It's
It's
nice.
beautiful.
Yeah, it's
like
looking
it.
good.
I was telling Dad the kitchen ceiling is really tall and this is slim. Maybe it might look nice over there instead of outside because it's really pretty.
Yeah, so now that they're on sale, because Christmas is over, now you can go and search for all the ones you really want around the house
Of
and to,
course.
yeah.
And I mean the price is so amazing. This one was only $20. That one was $10 over there.
Wow.
And so I have to go up. I'm going to pick up another one
All right.
for $10.
Okay.
This is a slim line, you see?
Yeah.
This
It's a totally different tree.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's lights on it.
It's a different color too.
Okay.
From this one to that's a darker green. It's a lighter green.
I'm all cold. I'm
I
gonna
like
go
this one
inside.
really. It's really pretty. And this lady was so friendly when we went. She wanted to see me. She says, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. My neighbor is from Trinidad." And then I told her I have a cooking channel, and she said, "What it is?" She is going to check it out and share with her neighbors.
That's
have to
cute.
be
That's
So
nice.
I'm gonna take a picture and send it to her when we decorate.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside. It's a little chilly.
Yes. Go inside.
We're doing a late night run. There's Shell. Well, you can't see. I'm in my pajama top. Is it a pajama? Shell's driving. She's wearing a onesie under here. I think it's mom's. We're going to McDonald's to get coffee and apple pie and fries, I think. We're celebrating the new year.
Because everywhere is closed
Mm-hmm. Oh, I gotta put my seatbelt on.
and we can't go out.
No, we can't go on. Just a
McDonald's.
drive through. Okay.
Lance is working.
Yeah.
Driving the streetcars. I'm
Driving
staying-
streetcars till very late, after 5 in the morning.
I'm staying over.
Yay! Okay,
Bye.
I'll show you.
Hi guys, it's a new day, it's a new year, it's the first day of the year, and today I decided to make saltfish because I love fish and I love saltfish. So I'm gonna start off by making some akra for appetizers. I have everything prepped here already, and then I'm going to do saltfish and tomatoes. So I'm just gonna mix this quickly here and just show you how fast I am. All done. So quick. Anyways, I'm gonna start prepping my saltfish and tomato there now, and we'll check you later.
Okay. Okay, what have you got going on here? I'm kind of hungry now.
It
smells good.
I'm just cutting up my forearm for my saltfish.
Let's see.
I want to fry it until it's nice and crisp.
Oh man, if Lance is watching this, he's gonna not like this video. He doesn't like saltfish. Lance, man, you're crazy. You're crazy.
And you know what I think now?
These look good.
Later we will make some, or maybe later, see then we'll
Yeah.
make some rice wrap. I took some shrimp out. I didn't tell you because I wanted you to do it. So I took it. It's already thrown.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah,
I have rice wraps. The rice paper downstairs.
I have the shrimp here. And
Wow.
I'm gonna peel that in a little while.
They look
and,
pretty.
I have a chicken breast there.
I'm like mom. I like
Yeah.
fish and shrimp but I prefer fish, and I prefer my favorite is I like kingfish, and I like snapper,
I have a chicken breast here.
grouper, all of them. This chicken breast?
Yep, a chicken
Okay.
breast and my
And I'll
shrimp.
cut up some veggies and stuff.
Nice.
We should probably get some basil too. I really like basil in it.
Oh.
Okay. Anyways.
I am going to make some saltfish fry rice with this. The saltfish is frying now. Onions and a little piece of pepper. I want to share with Ravi, so I'm not putting too much pepper in here. Rice is cooked already in the rice cooker.
Legs of pork.
I'm frying my onions.
Make some steak out of it. Right here. Check this one out.
Looks really good, Mom.
Smells really good too.
It does smell really good. All right. And this is just for fun?
Just for fun.
Okay.
Did I give you the story about how we used to make saltfish fried rice
No.
in Trinidad when I was little? When we have leftover rice, like if we cook too much and it remains, the next day Mama will
say, let's make a fried rice, a saltfish fried rice. So we grew up eating saltfish fried rice with leftover rice. But now I just boil my rice to make saltfish fried rice.
So it always reminds you of that.
Yes.
That time.
Yes.
That's cute.
Yep.
Okay. I can't wait to try it.
All done.
Oh my goodness, Dad.
Yep,
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
I got this, and
What is this? Oh,
it's a leg,
it's a leg.
of pork.
This is a big
Yes.
We're
leg.
gonna make some roast.
Whole pork leg.
Ro-
I'm gonna cut that up now.
roast pork. I know. Shell. Oh gosh, sorry. We're cooking something and there's a lot of pepper that was burning in the oil. Yeah, it's a little crazy. Anyways, Shell was asking for roast pork.
Yeah.
She doesn't really like roast pork.
But she
or
said
want
when
roast
she went to
pork.
Trinidad 1 year,
Mhm.
she had roast pork and pops, and she remembered the taste. It was so nice. So she said, "Mom, can you do something? I'm gonna try and make it. I don't know how it will be, but
Easy. YouTube it.
I gotta try my own thing here."
Today for lunch, I'm making Mom and Dad. Well, actually, Mom and Dad had requested some rice wraps. So I have these rice wrap sheets. And you just put them in a little bit of warm water for like 10 seconds. I've got some tofu. I've got chicken. I've got roasted crushed peanuts. I've got shrimp. A bunch of different veggies. And like green onion and stuff. And then this is the key ingredient that Lance loves. It's hoisin sauce. He wants me to put double the amount of hoisin sauce on everything. This is kind of what it looks like when I'm finished wrapping it. I'm not like a master wrapper by any means, but I get the job done. But Mom and Dad really like it. So we're going to make a bunch now. A little bit of everything goes a really long way. You don't need much. I always seem to overstuff it because my eyes are bigger than my belly. Some peanuts. This one I think I'm gonna put some shrimp. Actually, I'm gonna put some shrimp and some chicken. And of course, some hoisin sauce. Time to wrap. It goes over while I tuck in. I tuck in the side, then this side, then I continue wrapping. There it is. Cheers.
What?
Shell says we need the broom because she made a mess in the kitchen.
What she need what?
A broom. Yeah, she threw down a bunch of stuff there.
You want one with a something 2000 or?
A what?
Hey, Mom. Mom's talking to
Talking to Uncle Ravi.
Uncle
The
Ravi.
broom from Harry Potter. It's a 2000.
Nimbus. Nimbus 2000, Dad.
Nimbus?
Nimbus.
Nimbus?
Yeah, I think it's Nimbus. 2000.
So
Oh my
what-
gosh, I don't want to be wrong. I should take. I should.
Who it is it an end game that says happy 3000?
Oh my, yeah. Avengers. Iron Man says I love. His daughter actually says I love you 3000.
Who? Iron Man daughter?
Yes, remember? He got married to
Potts?
Potts. Yeah. And then it was the last bit of the story, and then she's like, I love you 3000. And she's in her room. Come on, Dad.
What does he throw down the way?
I wasn't sure what we should be making for dinner, so this is, I wasn't feeling anything. This is jerk turkey breast because I think Mom and I are the only people that like turkey for the vlog. And we did some asparagus, but Shell likes this super overcooked and like squingy looking. You're so weird, Shell. And she's also making, what are you making? Come on.
Rutabaga fries in the air fryer.
Yes.
So they don't get crispy, but they taste like a sweet potato, sort of.
Yeah, it actually kind of does.
And I put salt, a little bit of olive oil, a tiny bit of garlic powder, lots of onion powder, and it tastes pretty good. It tastes like a seasoned sweet potato fry if you like that.
Yeah, I tried it. I really liked it. It is different. I mean, like if you're
Not
looking for
crispy.
fries, don't expect that it's gonna be like fries,
It
but
looks like a fry, but not crispy at all.
no. I mean, like if you like, like the spicy curly fries, it kind of tastes like that. If you remember what that tastes like. But yeah, I guess this is gonna be some sort of a dinner we're throwing together here.
I'm not that hungry though.
Yeah, me either. Catch you later. I just got a package. I don't know what it is. You know, sometimes when you are getting so many things online and they don't have any names on the boxes, you're just kind of like, what is it? What did I get? It's a surprise all over again. Okay, let's see. Okay, that didn't work. Okay, got it open. Ooh, hope it don't break the nail. Ooh, my diffuser. From Sage. I bought myself this beautiful diffuser. Okay, you know what? This is not working. Probably. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. Got it. I don't know if you can see it. It's marble. Well, it's not like real marble. It's just like marble design. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, and I got a bunch of oils with it. This one is, nope, this one is Unwind Citrus Dream. These two. Oh, and then I got another little packet. Well Balanced. It has a balanced blend, bliss, goddess, and yoga. So I'm very excited to try this and set this up in my room. Ooh, love it. Love diffusers. And they had a really great sale. I think it was 40+% off of everything. So